What's going on, everyone? In this video, I'll be going over the price prediction for FEG token for this upcoming month of August, which is now a total of 13 days away or 14 days away. Guys, August is going to be a big month for FEG. And a lot of people, a lot of FEG investors are looking for August for a huge move in FEG token. Like August may, in a way, be the make or break month for FEG token. Let me tell you all why. Let's look at FEG token in the daily, okay? So FEG token, and for like the past, couple of days, like, or in the really lifetime, we all know the run up, right? They had this huge run up, and this is where really what got a lot of eyes to FEG token. Then it obviously retraced, almost went back to where it started from, had a nice support line, and then ran up again, and then it failed, and then it tried running up a little bit over here, but it didn't really work out. It got rejected at the 10 cent area, and then it broke this low right here. So this support that lasted twice, it kind of broke it. It's consolidating there. So right now there's a huge, there's like a huge, almost like a scare of, will FEG token break below this level? Because if it does, then that can be, really bad for FEG token investors, because this is a huge support level. And if you guys know anything about technical analysis, which if you don't, it's fine, that's why I'm here. When a key support level cracks, a lot of people start selling. And if this level cracks, a lot of people will start selling FEG token. And if they're selling FEG token, the price is going to drop and drop. And we do not want FEG token to be a dead token. So a lot of people, a lot of the haters are saying that, oh, well, FEG token is, it's done for, right? This is the third time it's at that support level. We don't expect it to bounce. Well, I would like to almost say they're wrong, because the reason is FEG token has bounced over here. It's bounced again over here, and then it's consolidating over here. So it hasn't bounced, and it hasn't cracked through. It's consolidating. So this consolidation also is a sign of support. Like, it's consolidating before it bounces back up. And if it does bounce back up, which I think it will, because there's a lot of news coming with FEG token, right? FEG token is making more strides in its Fedex, the Fedex platform. See the auto deploys in final stages. This was tweeted 4 hours ago. FEG token also is talking about, Satoshi Best, like they're having a lot of Q&As, and there's still a lot of hype around FEG token. The Times Square ad that FEG token had before, that is officially done for. It's gone now because it was lasted from July 7th to July 14th, but that did help FEG token a lot. If you look at its follower count, it is now 193k, which is 7k more than the last time I reported FEG's Twitter account. So that's a 7k jump is pretty substantial in terms of Twitter following. So now we're wondering how high will FEG token go. Well, let's look at his website and let's see why things to come might boost FEG token. So if we look at the future, right, this is what FEG token is currently working on. You can see, it has a good amount of things that it needs to get done. But if you look at its future, right, we see some pretty interesting things, right? So the FEDX trading pair listing, this is a pretty big venture. First, smart DeFi tokens launch. This is what I'm looking most forward to. The smart DeFi tokens launch is kind of like how Binance has stock tokens, but these smart DeFi tokens, which it's really unique to FEG token and will bring a lot of eyes to FEG token, because this is kind of like part of like the FEG ecosystem, the overall passive income movement that FEG token is starting as a cryptocurrency. So that's one thing we're looking for. FEG blog, FEG edu. This is a great way to get more eyes on FEG token. The UI redesign, I'm not too worried about that. And then continuous improvement. So basically, this just means like more news. So as more news comes out, I do believe FEG token can make a run. And obviously, one of the biggest deciders of FEG token. And at first, I didn't want to admit this, but I feel like now, after everything, we can say that Bitcoin is a motivator, right? Bitcoin does affect the movement of other coins, or not even Bitcoin. Let's not say Bitcoin. Let's say Dogecoin, right? The king of the meme tokens, or the king of the altcoins. Like this was an altcoin that really inspired a bunch of movement among these small cryptos. But FEG token is independent of these cryptos simply because of the burn rate it has, 1% burn rate, as well as the whole passive income idea that it has going for it. So FEG token might be independent of these other altcoins, but general investors would buy altcoins if one major altcoin is running, because usually if one major altcoin is running, that's when every altcoin starts running for the most part. So for August, I do expect a run in Dogecoin, so as almost like a derivative slash effect. I do expect to run in Feg token, as well as the fact that Feg token is working on major software updates, which will make the whole transactions within the Feg ecosystem much faster, which would benefit a lot of people. So I do expect some improvement there, which will obviously cause the price to rise. So my price prediction for August, after all my findings and my research, I would say that I expect it to make another run up to this 10-cent area. Now, will it break it? It depends on how strong the news is at this point. If it is pretty strong, then it will break it. If not, then it might get rejected again. But that is my prediction. I do expect to run to the 10-cent area. Let's see if it happens. Thank you all for watching. Peace.